Or you can hold it like this. Wow! Pretty cool. And record like this. So when I'm traveling, I'll be holding it like this and recording as well with my group.
That's what I'm talking about!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are just joining, welcome. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing with you guys. I got a few things off of the TikTok shop. Yes, so I'll be traveling soon, so most of these items are going to be travel items, and I'm going to do a pack with me, travel with me vlog as well. So yeah, let's see what lovely things I got here. So first, so these are all from the TikTok shop, you guys. You can follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Terrine's Talent Time. Yes, so go over there and check me out. So yeah, I got me some bath towels. Yep, some cute little bath towels from the TikTok shop. Their brand is called Pintu. Yes, so these, I didn't open it yet. Maybe should I open it? Yeah. Not really. I'm going to keep it in the bag so they could keep clean. So these are little bath towels. They come in white. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's coming all the way from China. As you can see the writing on it. Let's check them out. Let's open it. Yeah. So these are disposable bath towels, you guys. So this is how it comes. If you are going on a cruise, you're going to stay in a hotel and you don't like to use their bath towels, you can order your own. And this is pretty good material. Look at it. They come pretty big and they can wrap around you. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Awesome. So there you got it. Bath towels. If you don't want to use the hotel bath towels, you don't want to use the cruise ship bath towels. Yeah, pretty cool. So that is bath towels here. I also got this 3-in-1. Look at this. The 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. Yes, this is pretty cool. This is also from the TikTok shop. Everything I have here on my table here is from the TikTok shop. Yes, if you want, yeah, I'm going to give you all descriptions of these items, where you can get it and who I bought it from. Off the TikTok shop. Yeah, so this is how it looks, you guys. So you can put your phone on this part here, your watch goes here, and your earpods go here. Yeah, pretty cool. And of course, you plug it in here to charge. Yeah, so you're gonna have, because where I'm traveling, the space is not as big, so you need everything compact. I'm gonna put my phone, my watch, and my earpods right here. Pretty cool, right? And it comes with, of course, a charging cable. And it also comes with the yeah, PC plug in the wall. Pretty dope. Yep, and it's USB-C. Yeah, can't wait. Is this, and it's 20 voltage. Ah, pretty cool. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Can't wait to travel with this. Awesome. Of course, I'm going to put some more descriptions for you. You're going to see them right here, over here, somewhere here. Also, I got this cute little portable umbrella. And it's in my favorite color, of course. This is what it looks like. The packaging is called UPF 50 Plus. Pretty cool. Yep, this is what it looks like. Pretty small, compact, just in case you wanted to stick it in your crossbody bag, just in case it rains wherever you're going. It's pretty small, and it's pretty cool. I hear it's pretty big. It gets really big. Look at this, you guys. Pretty cool. I like it. Pretty cool, compact. Yeah, I love it. And this is all from the TikTok shop, you guys. It was very affordable. I'm going to give you pricing. I'm going to give you all the good stuff. Yeah. Alright, we're going to pack that up later. Also, I got this 3-in-1 vacuum. I mean, this one I got for my car. Sometimes I just want to quickly vacuum up something. So this I hear is pretty. It's a portable mini home and car vacuum cleaner. It comes with 2, actually 3. Let's open it. Let's see. So 1, 2. 3 different brush heads. So you have one that's a little brush, one that goes in the crevices of the car, and one pretty bigger size. So you have 3 brush heads. Of course, this is the vacuum itself. It comes with a cute little filter that you just have it here. Pretty cool. And then you just add it here. Nice. Tightens it. Secure it. Let me add one of the heads. Yeah. And you vacuum. Pretty cool. And the suction is pretty good. I like it. The suction is great, you guys. Love it. Awesome. So pretty cool. This is for my car. I got this mini portable vacuum. You can even travel with it too. So you might see me travel with it. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to be vacuuming up, but let's see. You never know. Your hotel might be dusty and you want to vacuum.
I would like to see it.
So next on the list was this. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try this out and show you how I try it out after I finish recording. But this is something that I always wanted. This is the auto face tracking selfie stick and tripod. So as you can see here, you put your phone on it, and anywhere you are in the room, it's going to follow you. I always wanted that, so here it is. So let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, and it's in a color pink. Of course, I didn't have lavender, so you know my next favorite color. I have to get the pink. Wow, look at it. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So yes. Not sure. Oh, this is the base. So you take this off. You screw this on. Nice.
1 eternity later.
Nice. I'm just gonna keep this here. It comes with, of course, charging cable. And yeah, this is where you put your phone. And then I guess this is what tracks your face right here. And yeah, I can't wait to try this out, guys. So I'll definitely try it out. I'm going to insert that clip in the video and show you how it works once I'm done. Pretty cool. I'm going to put everything back in the box. Put it to the side here. All right. And I also, the next thing, guys, I got this pretty cool selfie stick sometimes. This one is also a tripod. Yeah, so it's similar to this, but this one sits on the table while this one you hold it in your hands. You hold it in your hand, and it's the same, similar color to this guy over here. Okay, so how does this work? Oh, you flip it up this way. Cool. And then, of course, you're gonna put your phone here, between here. And this one sits as a tripod. Isn't this pretty cool? This one can sit as a tripod as well if you're doing sit-down videos. Or you can hold it like this. Wow! Pretty cool. And record like this. So when I'm traveling, I'll be holding it like this and recording as well with my group.
That's what I'm talking about!
So yes, that's a pretty good buy. I'm loving everything so far. And as I said before, you guys, go over to TikTok. Look me up. My TikTok name is Tareen's Talent Time. Go follow me. Go like my videos. I'm going to put a clip of this video over there too. Go check it out. Yeah. The next thing I have is some portable compression towels. They're very compressed. If you don't want to, as I said before, some people don't like to use the hotel towels or the cruise ship towel, whatever, wherever you go. Some people don't really like to use the towels that's provided, so they have little towelettes. Yeah, it's called portable compression towels. These are little rags. You can use them to take a shower. You can use them to wash your face. They're pretty cool. Yes, not going to open those because those are pretty self-explanatory. And these are the second. This one is pretty important for me. When you're using the public toilets anywhere you go, whether it's a hotel, whether you're in a public area, these go over the toilet itself. It's a seat cover, disposable seat covers. You put over the toilet and you sit down and use it. So those I'll be traveling with. Oh, this right here. This is something I always wanted. It is a power bank. Yes, so when you're traveling, you always need extra battery power for your phone. Absolutely. So I got this one. Did it come in my favorite color? Yep. Amazing. And yeah, so you take this, so you charge it with this. Of course, it comes with its own charger, charging cable. And then you pull this off, and this is what goes in your phone to charge your phone. So yeah, pretty cool. You turn it on right here. And look, I think it has this pretty cool feature where, look, it sits down like this and you can put your phone on it. Isn't this amazing? Awesome, isn't it? Love it. So I'll be taking this with me in my bag to charge my phone if I need. Of course, I'm going to take lots and lots of pictures. I'm going to be recording a lot, so I'm going to need all the power on my phone that I can get. And it also comes with another, actually no, this one is for iPhone 15s and up, the USB-C, and this one is for my type of iPhone. And it also comes with a charging cable. So pretty cool, pretty neat. I'm loving this so far. I can't wait to use these on my trip. And also, this is a pretty cool buy as well. I got this to put over my phone if we are traveling in the dark. It is a cool mini light, you guys. You just clip it onto your phone and it gives a bright light. Let me see. Did it come with any battery? I guess it didn't come with a battery, but it came with a charger, so I'll be charging it up and letting you guys know how it works. I'm going to show you. Yeah. So I'm going to charge that up and show you guys how it works. So this is a pretty cool buy if you need a light sometimes on your phone. It just clicks right onto your phone. And you get lovely pictures. So that's awesome. Okay. The next thing that I got, you guys. This is a luggage. It helps to keep both your check-on bag and your carry-on bag together. So let's open it. So sometimes, you know, you're the only one traveling and you have your check-on bag and you have your carry-on bag, right? So what this does is you just, if they're pretty big bags, you extend it as much as it goes and you strap both bags together. And this is what it does. It keeps them together so you can push them around. Pretty cool. I'll be showing you how this works. You'll be seeing it in my vlog, of course. Pretty cool. I love this. So yeah. Yes, yes, yes. And last but not least, I have two little bags that I could take wipes in. Yeah. So you can take anything. So you could take makeup remover wipes. You can take regular hand wipes, Lysol wipes, and put them in these bags. They're so cool. I love the colors. Look at the colors, you guys. Beautiful. So yeah, and they open like this. You just grab your wipes from here. I'm gonna need Lysol wipes to wipe down the whole room that I'll be staying in, and so on. Yeah, so pretty cool. And you could take it with you and hold it like this. It is amazing. It's awesome. I love it. Yeah. Pretty cool, right? So yes, you guys, it was a pleasure showing you all of my TikTok finds. Ooh, don't forget one more thing. These are pretty cool. These are when you go in the pool. So for me, I hate when water gets in my ears. These are ear stickers. So you put it on your ears, covers the entire ears, sticks really good to your ear. Yeah. It comes with at least 10 of them. And it sticks on your ears. If you have a cut, I hear it covers that pretty well. You go in your pool, nothing burns. Amazing. It's awesome. Yeah. But they're not reusable, so you'd have to use one at a time, of course. Yeah, don't forget. So I got this off of TikTok shop too. I'm going to cover my ears. If you have any scar, anything you want to cover, if you just got a tattoo, you want to go in the pool, perfect. That works. So yes, you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for checking out my TikTok shop haul. Yes, and go check out my TikTok. It's Terrine's Talent Time. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Instagram, YouTube. Yeah, go check me out on those 3 social media platforms. See you next time. Bye.